Hey, Thomas again, back with another video talking about business funding options. This here educational training video is designed to educate you about the different business funding options for startups as well as established businesses, and also about building business credit is another way to grow and scale your business, because what people don't understand is if you are LLC, partnership, corporation, uh, you definitely want to be able to start building business credit to help you grow and establish your business, because when it comes to growing your business, funding will be needed. And the reason I say that, because when it's time to grow and expand, you don't know when that time comes, will you have enough capital inside your business account to make it happen on your own. So majority of us need OPM, other people's money, to be able to expand our businesses, to start additional businesses, to hire more people. It takes revenue, it takes income, it takes cash flow. And so to do that, a lot of times we have to borrow money in the form of either loans, lines of credit, or business credit cards. Those are the three main products. Business credit is the most easiest to obtain. Loans and lines of credit are more difficult because the data points you need to have established already, a lot of us don't have when it comes to being in business. But once you understand and get educated on what you need to have, you start to build that out inside your business to the point where now you have all the data points needed. For example, business credit cards are more easy to get because a lot of times they take your stated income on the application of how much you making versus how much you really making, and a lot of times they don't question that. Lines of credit and loans are more difficult because now you need bank statements, you need tax returns, you need all your uh, business credentials in order, business licenses, and articles of corporations, and uh, EIN letter, and all these other things that you use to set up the business. But you need all those data points in place. You need your foundation in order, which is the business name, the business phone number listed with 411, business address, professional email and website, business account, merchant accounts, the business structure, which I just mentioned, and the employee identification number. You need all these things in order to be able to position yourself as a credible and legit business who's asking to borrow money, either in the form of business credit, lines of credit, or loans. Regardless of what product we're talking about, you need to be credible first. You need to look legit first. And so that's why we always walk through the foundation of the business before anything else, because without the foundation being properly put together, you don't look credible, you don't look legit. And then you're going into these institutions asking to borrow money, and they leery of you because you're not set up like the brands that you already spend money with. Target, Amazon, Macy's, all these different places we go spend our money with already have this same foundation already in place that I'm telling you need to have. So you need to look like them to show you credible, show you legit, show you worthy of them trying to do business with you when it comes to give you business credit, when it comes to give you line of credit, or when it comes to give you a business loan. And so this information here is designed to educate you. And so for a one-time fee of $17, if you take this information, you decide you like it, especially if you're the person that's already looking to build business credit, you're already looking to position yourself to get business funding when it's time for you to expand, you want to be able to be in position already to tap in to get that versus trying to go get it and not be in position to get it because you didn't plan for getting it. And that's the key to getting business credit and business funding, is to already have intent on positioning yourself to be able to get the money when you need it. So as a start about the gate, if you have the budget for it, you want to put this foundation in place right then and there. And you can start applying for tier one credit vendors like Quill, uh, Granger, Office Depot. There's different vendors that will give you credit just on having your foundation set, where they'll give you credit to buy their products and services within the 30-day time period. That's going to allow you to build your business credit profile, because that's important. Once you get that business credit profile established, then you constantly just get more and more trade lines added to the Dun and Bradstreet, added to Experian, added to the Equifax business side of the matrix versus the personal side of the matrix. So this video is strictly talking to people that's interested in building business credit and want to learn more about that, and two, being able to position yourself to get business funding when the time comes. Some of you guys may already be in position to get business funding, but just don't have a trusted source to go to. So reach out to me. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let me punch you in the right direction. If you fall into the bucket of where I'm already established, I have these data points in place, I believe, and I would like to seek business funding from a trusted source that I might have available to you, then I would like to hear from you. 773-675-9823, or you can email me at info@workwthomas.com. You can even text me a message to that number with your name and phone number and a brief message, and I get back to you at my early convenience. Just remember, right now I'm still in the midst of tax season, so I do income taxes for personal as well as businesses, and I also have a mentorship program where I help accountant students and individuals who want to start their own tax and accounting firm get started through mentorship. And so if you're interested in any of these things, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Let's talk, let's chat, and I'll see you in my next video.